Listen to the story carefully. Story 24. Childhood. I remember my early days with wonder and confusion. Seeing the world through wide eyes and a tender heart. Family, friends and small adventures filled my days, yet every moment taught me something about kindness, fear, joy, and sadness. I felt deeply, laughed freely and worried over things grown-ups seemed to ignore. Each day was a lesson in understanding people, emotions, and myself. The world felt both magical and confusing, and I learned that growing up means noticing details, asking questions and carrying both happiness and sorrow in your heart. Even simple moments, reading, playing, or listening, shaped who I was becoming, and I realized that childhood is where the seeds of life are planted. Answer the following questions. Well done! You did it! Compare your answers with the suggested ones.